Hello friends, today we learn the words that begins with letter D. So let's start. D for dog. D O G dog. D for dog. D for dice. D I C E dice. D for dice. D for duck. D U C K duck. D for duck. D for dolphin. D O L P H I N dolphin. D for dolphin. D for door. D O R door. D for door. D for doctor. D O C T O R doctor. D for doctor. D for doll. D O L doll. D for doll. D for dinosaur. D I N O S A U R dinosaur. D for dinosaur. D for deer. D E R deer. D for deer. D for dress. D R E S dress. D for dress. D for drum. D R U M drum. D for drum. D for diamond. D I A M O N D diamond. D for diamond. D for donut. D O N U T donut. D for donut. D for den. D E N den. D for den. D for desk. D E S K desk. D for desk. Okay friends, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.